In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or replace your Restream thumbnail. So log into your Restream and select homepage, and here you will find all of your Restream live streams. Now just click on the live stream that you want to change thumbnail. Here click on Enter Studio. Once you are in your studio, just click on this edit next to your live stream title, and here we can see my current thumbnail. Click on replace, and then from your PC you can just go ahead and upload a new thumbnail, and then you can crop your thumbnail from here just like this. And to remove branding or Restream logo, you have to upgrade it. Then click on crop and click on update all, and it may take some moments to update your Restream thumbnail. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.